guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my current favorites product video. I haven't done one of these in a minute, and yeah, I wanted to show y'all what I'm currently using. So if you want to see any of my other current favorite product videos and just see what I've loved in the past, I will link those down below so you can check those out. As always, everything I mentioned will be linked down below in case you guys want to check it out, purchase it, whatever. But I do want to say thank you to all of you who have been purchasing my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir and also the brand new Enchanting Moisture Cream, which I have right here. So Divine Hair Elixir, Enchanting Moisture Cream, you guys have been purchasing, and I'm super excited just to hear you guys' thoughts, especially on the new product and how it works for your hair. Of course, I used it for this braid out. This is second day hair. I will have a video of this braid out, and I'm gonna film how I maintain it over the week. So anyways, I don't want this video to be too long, but I do have a Poshmark where I get rid of products that are new or gently used once or twice. So I do have some products I want to get rid of. So I will link that down below in case you guys want to get some products for a really good price. What else? Obviously, since I have my own oil, I don't use any other brand's oil. Obviously, since I have my own hair cream, I'm no longer using anybody else's creams, you know, hair milks, twisting butters, anything like that. But you will still see me using shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, maybe leave-ins, gels, and mousses. So you will still see that. But in this video, you're primarily just gonna see shampoos, deep conditioners, because yeah, I'm using my own cream now, so hopefully you guys still enjoy, even though it's not like everything. But I don't want this video to be too long. I'm talking already, so let's just get into what I have. So like I mentioned, these are my two products. I gotta talk about this, I gotta get it out the way. Y'all love my Divine Hair Elixir. It has literally 5-star reviews. It's made with peppermint, tea tree, jojoba, castor, avocado, and what did I leave out? Olive oil. So yeah, it's great for your scalp, which I use this all throughout the week, about 2 to 3 times a week. And then if you're someone who likes to do like the LOC or the LCO method, you can use this to seal in your moisture. You can do a hot oil treatment. I like to use this to take down my hair, to fluff my hair, just add it onto my hands. There's just so many different ways you can use this, and it is great for promoting hair growth, okay? And y'all can see the hair growth that I've been getting. Make sure you get a bottle. And then the Enchanting Moisture Cream. This stuff smells so good. I just love the scent, okay, that I picked out. But yeah, the scent smells amazing. It's nice, it's fruity, it's nice, creamy, moisturizing, softening. If you have dry hair, your hair will love this, okay? I'll put a video of me using it and how it just literally enhances my curls so good, okay? Yeah, and it also has enough hold for it to be used on its own. I use it on its own, but like I've said, you can pair your favorite leave-in, your favorite gel, your favorite whatever with this. But yeah, y'all, make sure you get this. It's made with aloe vera juice, castor oil, sunflower oil, shea butter. So it has some really great ingredients. It's free of those harsh ingredients, so you need it, okay? Get it. All right, so next, this is actually empty, you guys. This is the Mielle Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. It's a protein moisture balanced deep conditioner. This literally used to be one of my holy grails. Oh my god, like I could not stop myself from using this every wash day. And it had been sitting on my counter, and I have so many products, so I'm like, you know what, let me like use this consistently so I can use it up and free up some space. So that's what I did. It just smells really, really good, nice pepperminty, It is one of my like lightest deep conditioners as far as consistency. It's not very thick or heavy at all, but it is really creamy and super softening. But since it has that protein in it, it is going to help with, you know, strengthening the hair as well as moisturizing it. So this one is always going to be a good one. I would repurchase it if I didn't have so many products, you guys, like, y'all know that. But yeah. Now also, I have been using the Babassu conditioning shampoo from Mielle. I've been using this with the deep conditioner. This one is almost empty, if you guys can see. It's like right here. So yeah, this is sulfate free. This one to me smells more, it smells like tea tree, I think. Yeah, it smells more like tea tree, but it still has that like aromatic scent, I guess. This has amazing lather, okay? It's gonna get your hair nice and clean. This doesn't strip my hair and make it dry and brittle, but it does give me a clean feeling. So this is one of the shampoos that doesn't really leave my hair super soft after I rinse it out, but as long as it's not dry and brittle, that's okay. So it definitely does everything that I look for in a shampoo. Just like the deep conditioner, it's very light, like it's really runny, but don't let that steer you away from this, okay? A little bit goes a long way. You're gonna have a ton of lather. Now next is a shampoo. This is the Design Essentials Natural Hair Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press Collection Moisturizing Hair Bath. Y'all, that is literally such a long freaking name. But I believe this is sulfate free if I'm not mistaken. I've used a good amount of this. You literally only need like 2 squeezes of this. A little goes a long way. This also has a ton of lather. And I just love that it's so moisturizing, you guys. Oh my God. Like, I get the perfect balance of a nice clean head of hair, but my hair just feels so soft while it's on my hair and also when I rinse it. Like, I can use this and not condition or deep condition. Me personally, that is how softening this shampoo is. It is for blow dry and silk pressing. Like, you would use this if you're gonna do that, but I still find that I enjoy this just wearing my natural hair, so I don't really think that's matters. If you don't straighten your hair, you can still pick this up, and I do like the scent too, so this is a good one. Now, 2 other products that I used to like rave about, they were my holy grails and I could not stop using them. They're from Camille. So this is the sweet ginger cleansing rinse with castor and anise seed oil. And then this is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask with cocoa and mango butter. So y'all, I'm a little embarrassed. I think I've had this bottle for a long time. Like, the bottom has this weird white cast in it. So what I just shake it up and it'll go away, but it comes right back. I don't know if that's bad or not, but it still works. I haven't noticed anything bad happen to my hair. It does what it used to do, so I'm still gonna use it. I don't care. But yeah, so I want to finish this bottle up just because I've had it for freaking ever. But this also is just, I was like, why did I stop using this? Why did I get so many products and neglect like those good ones that you should stick with? But anyways, yeah, this is another great shampoo. Cleanses my hair just like it says, cleansing rinse. Now, even though it says cleansing rinse, and yeah, it says it's a hair cleanser. In my experience, cleansers that I've used have all been like, they just don't clean my hair. Like, they're too light of a product. But this, I don't know why it's a cleanser, but it should have just been called a shampoo, because this gets your hair nice and clean while also still leaving it hydrated and not stripped after you, you know, rinse it. And I do like the scents of it too. Let me smell it. Yeah, it's like light and sweet, so there's that. And then the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. This stuff smells like mint chocolate chip. Like anything mint chocolate chip, ice cream, candy, that is what this smells like. And it's nice, it's thick, it's creamy. Oops. Oop. Yeah, it's nice, it's thick, it's creamy. And it just really, really softens my hair. It has great slip. And so just leave it on. Oh, what? Hold up, I got it all over the place. Hold up. So yeah, this is nice, thick, creamy, super hydrating. I really love the fact that it's a heavier deep conditioner. I love a heavier deep conditioner. And you only have to leave it on for 10 minutes, which I love. You can leave it on longer if you would like for deeper conditioning, but I like to get things done. I don't like a long wash day. So yeah, this is like a quick one to use while I'm in the shower. I rinse it out and my hair is left super soft. So yeah, this will always be like a holy grail. Now we're getting down to the last products. This is the Shea Moisture Cannabis Sativa Hemp Seed Oil Lush Length Shampoo with ginseng roots and horsetail extract. So I actually did a video, a wash to style video using Shea Moisture products, and I just wanted to try them again. It's been a long time since I've really like used them, wanted to see if their new product still worked, which they did. And I've been using this thing up. I think it's right here, but this is a watery shampoo. I'm always skeptical of those, but I swear to you, a drop of this and your entire head is gonna be covered in lather. I think I literally just need one squeeze and I'm able to literally run it all over, and it just keeps getting more and more and more lather. So I really love that. I do like the scent of this. It's like kind of natural, earthy. I don't know. I like the smell. But my hair is left so soft with this, you guys. Okay, so soft. I don't know what it is about me, but I love moisturizing shampoos. Like, those are my go-tos, and especially a moisturizing shampoo that still gives me clean hair. Okay, I don't want a moisturizing shampoo that my hair is still gonna feel just not good. So this was a good one, y'all. Let me know if you guys still use Shea Moisture. But also from that video that I've been using a lot of, I think this is like halfway done. This is the Shea Moisture Mongongo and jojoba oil high porosity moisture replenish mask with baobab and aloe vera. I don't know why these names are so long, but this is their new formula of the high porosity mask. It came out years ago. They discontinued it and I guess it came back out. This is so moisturizing, you guys. Like, when this first came out and everybody was raving about it, even people who don't have high porosity hair, I never got it. I don't know why I didn't. I was missing out because this is so good. I just love it. It's creamy. This smells good. It's super nice and fruity. It reminds me of, I don't know, maybe a Jolly Rancher or something. It smells really, really good. But yeah, it's creamy, super softening, and I just feel like if you have dry hair, again, even if your hair is not high porosity, your hair will literally feel amazing. It just feels like butter. It feels like your hair is melting or some crap. Like, that is how good this is. And I think you only have to leave this on for a couple of minutes as well. Yeah, it says leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. Like, who doesn't want to just do that and have super soft hair? So yeah, this one's a good one. It's affordable. Can't go wrong. This is the Luster's Pink Super Hydrate and Shine Mask with avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter. I believe I also have a video using this. Now, when it comes to Luster's Pink, I feel like people do sleep on the brand. I am not exactly sure why, but they have some really good stuff, you guys, okay? And very, very affordable. I feel like all of their products are like under $10, okay? And people be complaining about prices, so check them out, okay? They're cool. But yeah, this is nice and does exactly what it says. It hydrates and gives you shine And when I rinse it out, my hair is super soft. Like when I'm styling, I be feeling my hair, I'm like, dang, like my hair is so soft. And it's because of this. It also has some great slip and all that. I will say I like to sit with this on my hair with a cap. I just feel like it enhances it even more, but alone it is still a good product. So this one is good. And then last but not least, we have their Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. It's made with olive, argan, and panthenol. Again, I have a freaking video for everything, y'all. But I've used this for wash and goes, even though I'm not doing wash and goes right now anymore. I don't know. I'm a twist out, braid out girl right now. Y'all know I change just depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'm a wash and go girl, sometimes I'm a twist out girl, sometimes I'm a rod set girl. It just depends. But the main reason I love this, not only is it great for wash and goes, it's gonna give you super defined results. You can use this alone. You don't have to worry about a crunch or scrunching anything, which I really, really like. It doesn't make your hair hard, but it has hold. Like, that's not very common that happens, for you to still have super firm curls, but it's not hard. It's still soft and moisturized. But anyways, the main reason I like this is because I've used this a lot for enhancing my twist outs and braid outs. So, especially if I'm using a cream or whatever, at least in the past, I haven't used this one specifically with my cream just yet. But for creams that don't have hold, put a gel on top. Of course I was using this one. If you put a gel on top, I promise you it's going to just enhance your hairstyle. You're gonna have the hold that you probably wouldn't if you didn't use a gel. So that is a tip, y'all. If y'all have creams or anything you're trying to get rid of that just don't do it for you, just put a gel on top. And this is a good one that you can compare. And then I also love the fact that it's great for edges. Like, this is just another replacement for Wetline or Eco, but I just feel like it's more moisturizing. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, I probably will be doing a wash and go soon, speaking of gels, because one of you guys asked me to do a wash and go using my cream, my Enchanting Moisture cream, and a Wetline, okay? I am definitely gonna get that out for y'all. I have so many videos to get out for y'all. I'm just super excited. But yeah, that is my current favorites. I feel like there's like a couple more products that I've been loving too, but this is enough. So without further ado, wait, what am I trying to say? That's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below one of your current favorite products. Doesn't matter what one it is. Like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in another one. Oh, make sure check out my brand, www.goddessscurls.com. It'll be linked down below. But yeah, bye now.